Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Chris. Welcome to Slay with Chris blog. Okay, yeah, today I've decided to start with an intro to my YouTube channel because it's been long since nimekuwa kwa camera. Yeah, and that's why decide kuanza na an intro to my YouTube channel, and at least ujue what which content nitakuwa na post on YouTube. So before we get started, please, I would like you to support me by subscribing to my channel, okay, like, and please don't forget to comment. Yeah, you can even send me your link to your YouTube channel and I'll definitely support you. Let's support each other, okay? Yeah, let's get started. So nataka hii video ikuwe short as possible. My name is Chris. I'm from Kenya and I'm a wig maker. Okay, the reason why I decided to start a YouTube channel is that nilikuwa natamani sana kuanzia YouTube channel, but nilikuwa na hiyo fear ya nikipost kitu, will people watch my videos? Will people love my content? Nilikuwa na hiyo fear ya what if ni post ikose kupata, yani ikose views, you see. Nilikuwa na hiyo fear. Then I asked myself, hii fear ndio huwa inamaliza watu wengi sana. People fail to pursue what they want due to fear. Maybe you think, how will people think? Will they love my product? As in, even if it's selling, that fear, will I say fear is evil? Because, ilinidrag nyuma. And then I decided to start a YouTube channel because I'm a wig maker and nilijifunza kutengeneza wigs huku on YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube. So I remember one of my clients aliniambia, Grace, why don't you start a YouTube channel ukuwe una create content, unaonyesha watu venye huwa unatengeneza wigs. And then I thought that is a great idea because actually nimeshi kutamani sana ku start a YouTube channel, so I started it. Though sikuwahi create any video of me like kama saizi, like talking in front of a camera, but that's why I've decided to start with an intro and at least mjue which content I'll be. Mi hutengeneza wigs and nilijua kutengeneza wigs on YouTube. Nilikuwa napenda sana mambo ya nywele, you see all that, and sikuwa na idea yote ya wigs, you see. So I decided if I seriously afford wig classes, I can as well learn something on YouTube. So that's where nilijifunza kutengeneza wigs. And then, as I said earlier, one of my customers gave me the idea of creating nitengeneze content za how to make wigs, niwe nafunza watu nikitengeneza wigs, and I'm still creating content nikitengeneza wigs, like, and I thought it's a good idea because I've always loved to start a YouTube channel, but nilikuwa naogopa talking in front of a camera. But I said, let me be myself. I'll try to be myself, but not faking it, okay? So I started a channel, then I think your fear can drain tena. I've never posted any of my videos like making wigs, just shorts. But now I want to officially start making the wigs and creating content, okay? So that's why I've decided to start with an intro to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting how to make wigs, everything about wigs. And also, you see this hair, you see, nilijishuka hii wig, yeah, sijamaliza bado kutrim, but as you can see, hii wig, si wig kosh, I'm into wigs mpaka like everything naongea ni wigs. I mean hizi ni braids, ni Coco. I made these braids on my own. Nilijishuka. Nilijishuka. So I'll be creating such content. If you want to know how I made these braids, how I achieved this style, then please support me by subscribing to my channel. Yeah, I'm back. No fear. Because actually, let's speak the reality. Fear imemaliza watu wengi sana. Yani, you want to do something but you are afraid of what people will say. Yeah, and ukiteseka unateseka peke yako. Me, I've decided to start. And I'd like you to walk this journey. Let's walk this journey together. I'll be creating I'll be giving you wig reviews and everything about hair, beauty, everything. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye.